Hello, guys. This is news update number 16. Today, I think it's the third episode. We had already done two episodes, but evening 5 o'clock, the Prime Minister came live and announced something big, that is the vaccination, which has been the request of almost everyone that vaccines should be free. Okay, so finally, it has been announced today, June 7, it is announced that entire vaccination for all the adults, okay, it will be free, okay, completely free. So that we'll see the details. I'll just take you through the live updates. Okay, so if you are new to this channel, please subscribe so that we can keep giving you free content like this every day. And already there is a video on our channel which tells the difference between all the vaccines. Okay, not only Indian vaccines, which is coming from outside, even the Johnson and Johnson one and the US Moderna one, everything where the efficacy and how many doses are there and why India should take this particular one or that particular one, why India cannot use an American one. Everything have been explained clearly in this video, news update number 4. Please go and watch that. Okay. So I'll just take you as I told the direct Prime Minister's words only. Okay. Based on that, you can understand the topic and you can even share to others. So India is fighting the second wave of COVID-19. Many people lost their loved ones to COVID. COVID-19 is the deadliest pandemic in the past 100 years. Okay, the modern world has not even seen such a pandemic. Our country has fought this pandemic at many levels. During the second wave, the demand for medical oxygen in the country increased unimaginably in the months of April and May. Never in the history of India has the need for medical oxygen been felt in such quantity. To meet this demand, work was done on a war footing. If you look at the history of last 50, 60 years, you will know that it used to take decades for India to get the vaccine from abroad. Vaccine work used to be completed abroad, even then the work of vaccination could not start in our country. Compared to the demand for vaccines all over the world today, the countries producing it and the companies making the vaccine are very few. Imagine that if we did not have a vaccine made in India right now, what would have happened in a huge country like India today? Very few companies make vaccines in the world. Okay, I think I have by mistake put again. Okay, India launched not one but two made in India vaccines within a span of 1 year. Our country scientists have shown that India is not behind big countries. Today, when I am talking to you, more than 23 crore people have been vaccinated in the country. Today, 7 companies in the country are producing different types of vaccines. Trial of 3 more vaccines is also going on. Okay, all these things I have, as I told in the other video. And a nasal vaccine is coming. Okay, that will mean like it's not like an injection. Nasal vaccine simply which can be sprayed through your nose. That one, if it comes, it will be a game changer. Okay, once it's tested and approved. So that is going on. So that will be another made in India vaccine. And I think entire world will be needing that if it works fine. And the Prime Minister also assured the nation that the supply of vaccines will increase in the coming days. Work on producing a intranasal vaccine, as I told, is also happening. Then center will now also bear the responsibility of 25% of the work related to vaccination with the states. From June 21, all citizens above the age of 18 years will get free vaccines and center will bear the entire cost of it. Prime Minister said that the private hospitals, they can also continue to procure 25% of the vaccines, but their service charge would be capped at rupees 150 per dose. Okay, the whatever government takes and gives to centers, it will be free, but private hospital directly can also get it from the institute where it is being made, but their service charge will be capped at 150 rupee per dose. They cannot charge simply like 1000 2000 rupees. Okay, under the earlier policy, the federal government gave free vaccines to the elderly and frontline workers and left state governments and private hospitals to administer doses for a fee to a people in 18 to 45 age group. Okay, this also was questioned, like why frontline workers are given, why not others are given. So everything was done in a systematic way. So we have to respect their decision and go in accordance to that. Only because that many doctors and nurses, everyone were given a priority. That is the only reason they are able to again work and again administer now this vaccine to other people of the country. Okay. So another last thing, the government has also decided that the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana will now be extended till Diwali. That is continuation of free ration scheme for over 80 crore people in the country till November. Okay, so this scheme also you should know. There are a lot of messages and trolls and all these things going like the lockdown is not same for everyone, like the middle class and people, like they'll show two photos left and right, like the middle class people is all sitting and playing in mobile and sitting inside the house because they don't have to fight for food, and the other side they'll show like the poor people where they have to go out every day. How can I sit inside lockdown time and all this kind of things are going. But you should know that there are government schemes running since last March, more than 1.5 year now. They are giving free ration, okay, to 80 crore people who are eligible for that, who have to actually go out and daily work to get their daily wage. That is there. So this kind of schemes are never discussed or never even coming into limelight. So please see to that you know these facts before sharing such schemes, so sharing such trolls and memes on the internet. Okay, so again we'll come up with a new video. This is just a quick update because the Prime Minister came live today. Okay, so watch this video to understand all the difference between all the vaccine. Thank you and have a nice day.